They just should have called it street photography mode, but Xiaomi decided to just call it fast shot mode. I don't know why, because this mode is ideal for street photography. And in this video I'll show you why. 17 Ultra, you activate the fast shot mode by swiping up and then choosing fast shot. And what you get is a user interface that resembles a bit of the rangefinders, where you have an outline of the actual frame that it will take, and you have the full frame to see what's happening. So if I go to 35, you see it is not cropping into the frame, it's just that the outline of the frame is changing to know what your picture will look like. And this is super handy if you're waiting for the special moment. And that special moment thing, here's exactly what I mean. This bright blue donkey statue smack in the middle of the square was too random to pass up. Fast shot locked the frame before anyone even noticed. A few minutes later, this guy cruising by on his mobility scooter, another rider walking her bike past him, two completely different speeds, same frame, same fraction of a second. And when there's no one around at all, fast shots just as happy grabbing the quiet stuff. Sunlight breaking through the plane trees on the walk back. Straight out of camera, these already look great, but let's punch them up a little. If you want to pep up your photo slightly, you have different filters here, of course, that you can choose, but also portrait style. And I like the textured portrait style a lot because it adds a little bit of more contrast and a bit of vignetting on the outside. Take the textured portrait style out on a clean blue sky day and you get this, the local TV tower punching straight up and that vignette quietly darkening the corners so your eyes land right on the tower. Switch back to a moving subject, and with the extra little contrast, it really shows every fold in her jacket, every spoke on that wheel still sharp at 135 millimeters while she's rolling right past me. And then there is this, a beat up old postbox plastered in stickers. The filter's contrast makes that Deutsche Post yellow pop so hard it almost looks lit from inside. Ordinary street corner, grocery store, a guy taking out the trash, nothing special on paper, but that same punchy contrast turns it into a proper little scene. Even something as boring as street signage gets a bit of character out of it. That weathered 20-kilometer sign has been through a lot, and now you can actually see it. But filters only get you so far. For real mood, you need to go deeper than a preset. If you're interested to learn more about this street photography fast shot mode, dive deep into this, maybe also in video recording. I'm using the Xiaomi 17 Ultra for video recording now to optimize its performance. I have a video guide that is linked down below that you can check out, where I have more than 10 chapters that explain you very detailed what the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is capable of and how you can get the best out of it. So just click down below. There's also a discount code as well. Besides the normal filters down there, we also have the possibility to switch between Leica Authentic and Leica Vibrant, but yeah, I keep it Authentic because I like it a bit more. But you can also play around with the EV control here on the bottom that allows you to set maybe a little bit minus 0.7. That gives you a little bit of a moody kind of vibe. That minus 0.7 does something to whites especially. This flower practically glows against a background that's gone almost black. Same trick, warmer flower, the shadows just swallow everything except the color you actually want to look at. Out on the street, it turns a completely ordinary junction into something that looks like it's lit for a film. Even Timmy here under a bench gets moody with it, all the texture in the fur just sitting in the shadows. And then you get a shot like this, sun flaring straight into the lens, the whole park mirrored on the water, one stray manhole cover floating through it. A minute down the path, the same pond, different mood entirely, all that green, just swallowing the light. And did you notice the duck? Flip the vertical and then same tower from earlier looks like a different building entirely. Sometimes the mood is just about what you leave in the shadow. Half this hill lit, half of it gone, completely dark. One last flower to close it out. Same moody light, same deep shadows falling off the petals, and that pretty much sums up why fast shots my go-to for street photography. To summarize, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra and some of the other Xiaomi devices and their fast shot mode is really one of the best things that you can get when you want to do street photography. It allows you to see everything for the right moment, for the right shot, with its rangefinder style kind of zoom in and those outlines there. But it also features very moody kind of options and color profiles that you can use to create the perfect shot for you. At least I like it very much when I'm out and about in the city doing some street photography. This is the camera phone that I used to use most often. What is your camera phone for street photography? Put it down below, and also your settings maybe for other phones to replicate somehow what the Xiaomi is doing here. I'm very excited to hear about that, so put it down in the comments. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, bye.
Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.